Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Being Guru Electrical channel. My name is Mujib Raza, and today we will discuss about the drawings used in construction projects. So let's start it. Let me take the laser pointer. Okay, the first one is the tender drawing or design concept drawing. The second one is the shop drawing. Then coordination drawing, we have progress drawing, then as-built drawing, and we have also builder's work drawing. So the first one, the contract drawing or tender drawing. As you can see in this drawing, this is the preliminary drawing. There is no detail, no wall size, no room dimension. Only this is the plan. Only the information you will have is how much square meter or square foot area construction is this. So in the contract drawing only we have preliminary design and there are no details. The purpose of this type of drawing is to award the project to the contractor, so the contractor knows in this how much square meter or square to the contractor, so the contractor knows in this how much square meter or square foot area. According to this he give the estimate for the project. So next one is the shop drawing. Once the contract is awarded to the contractor make the shop drawings. So the shop drawings include all the details. It includes installation details, assembling details, connections, different views, front view. You can see here the top view, the interlayer view, the front view, back view. So you can see all the details in the shop drawing. So shop drawings are basically the detailed drawing, but it's based on the design drawing with more details. It includes all the installation required for installation. If we talk about the mechanical and electrical, it includes installation details for assembling, connection, different views, layout, like we discuss front view, side view, top view, mounting, all the information required. It depends from project to project. And now next one. Now if we see for example of a shop drawing, if we have a shop drawing for the distribution board schedule, so in the distribution board schedule we need the we need the distribution board size, because we need to see the distribution board can be fit in the desired location which is marked on the drawing or not. Then second, we need the size of the circuit wiring, we need the rating of the circuit breaker, and type of cable, the name of the appliance or the kilowatt rating of the appliance should be there in the distribution board schedule. So this is the detailed drawing for the distribution board schedule. Now if you can see this schematic diagram, like the control diagram for the distribution boards, if there is it is connected to the photo sensor like this, how many wires are going out, how many are coming in, all the details should be on the shop drawing. How much cable is coming from the main LV panel, all the information should be on the shop drawing. Then we have a coordination drawing. After all the mechanical drawing and electrical drawing and also the architecture drawings are approved, the shop drawing, mechanical, electrical and architecture shop drawings are approved. Based on these drawings, there is mechanical MEP coordination drawing is developed and it is approved before execution on site. The reason is there are too many problems the engineer can face during execution on site. For example, if the mechanical engineer place water pipes in the false ceiling, and in the same area the electrical engineer put the cable tray, so there is a conflict. So these conflicts are solved in the MEP coordination drawing. So this is very important before the execution of the said job or said work. The next one is the progress drawing. As the work progress on site, the engineer should note all the work done. How he can do this? He can make the executed work by coloring the different areas. Like if one part is done, he can color that part. Next day, if the next area is finished, he can color that part. So if he is due to some reason he is absent, so if the another engineer came, so he should know the executed work and the unexecuted work. He can differentiate. So the main advantage of the progress drawing is this. It is the basic. This is normally the requirement of ISO, that if someone is any engineer who is working on the project is absent and another engineer came in his place, so he know which work is done and which work is not done. So as you discussed, is the work progress, all architecture and MEP changes to be cleanly and accurately noted. All the changes should be noted on the separate drawing. Those drawings will be called as the progress drawings. The revisions and addition to the work on site, if any, to be noted. If there are any changes to the drawings, it should be mentioned on the drawing and noted with date. Or also if there is additional work, so he can sign there by the one who approved those changes. So this is the basic theme of the progress drawings. Now the final one is the as-built drawings. All the changes and all the shop drawings and the progress drawings combined after the execution of the work. As-built drawing should include all additional works, if any, or on-site changes to be reflected in as-built drawing. Basically, the as-built drawing is reflecting the shop drawing, but in the shop drawing there are most of the time work on site cannot be same as per the shop drawing. There are some changes as per site conditions, so those changes or additional work to be reflected in submission of as-built drawings. Builder's work. The floor, roof opening or wall opening to be coordinated with civil architecture engineer to be provided before concrete pouring if required. The engineer should check the builder's work drawing, so the engineers can know from the builder's work drawing that there are opening in the wall or there are opening in the roof slab, so they can provide before the concrete pouring activity. So this is for the builder's work. So this is all about the different types of drawings. Thank you. If you have any question, you can comment down, and if you like the video, please like the video and share with your friend. And if you didn't subscribe our channel, so subscribe.